2024. Welcome on in. Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it. Now, what's your goals for 2024? What are you willing to sacrifice? Are you willing to get up early at 5 in the morning? Are you willing to work out? Are you willing to do the things that you're, let's just say, uncomfortable with? Are you willing to challenge yourself this year? These are the things that I want you to recognize on this 2024 extravaganza. Will you be better than you are yesterday? That's the ultimate question. And if so, how do you plan on becoming the best version of you? See, most people don't understand what their purpose is, right? And I'm here to tell you that your purpose is simple. Become the best version of yourself and watch what happens to everyone else around you. Let me repeat. Become the best version of yourself so the people around you, right, can remain around you. They can stay around you. You can give them something to do. These are the things that you must be willing to do in order to get to the next level. Do you plan on running in place? Or do you plan on going from the first base to the second base and eventually a home run? What about investing? What about mental clarity? What about working out? What about communicating? See, what area do you lack? That's what needs the most improvement. If you have a problem with growing your portfolio, maybe you should read a book about stocks, entrepreneurship. What book do you plan on reading this year? See, these are the things that I want to know, and leave your thoughts down below. Because how do you plan on making yourself better so you can help and add value to the world? See, if you don't do anything else, you must add value before you go. Now, what you decide to add value in, the choice is yours. Because we was blessed with the ability to choose. That's one of our greatest strengths, but yet one of our greatest weaknesses. See, the choice that you make, right, can either lead you to the river or it can lead you to the ditch. Choices that you make, and the choice is yours to make. What's your finances? What's your credit score? What's your portfolio? What's in your portfolio? What's your goals? Long-term, short-term, mid-term? Business plan. You know, do you plan on building something that lives beyond you? That's the ultimate question. What do you plan on leaving behind that lives beyond you that can help everyone else out? Maybe family, sons and daughters that may not be born yet, mothers and child. These are the things that you must think about. Because 2024 is here. And put down in the chat, what are you willing to sacrifice for 2024? Are you disciplined? Do you respond before you listen? Or do you listen and then you respond? Do you react? Are you highly reactive? Or do you think before you make the next decision? Ask yourself these things because you must dig down deep, get uncomfortable, tie your shoelace up, and get to work. See, you was made to build, create, and conquer. So if you're not doing any one of those three things, then what are you doing? Remember, build, create, and conquer. Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it. See, I'm going to share a personal story. What I decided to do was this year I did it a little bit different. And I said, you know what? Normally I drink on my birthday. It's very festive. I said, this time let's do something a little different. Let's cut out the alcohol. And I'm telling y'all, it's one of the greatest decisions that I've made. Look at it, look at my skin. It's just the beginning. 1 month. Actually, it's been 30 days. January 2nd will be, which is tomorrow, will be the completion of 1 month. I'm going for a whole year because I got things I want to do. I want people that I want to see benefit off my ideas. I got moms, dad I want to take care of. I got family I want to build. You know, I got goals, I have dreams, I have aspirations. So I'm willing to do whatever I need to do in order to get to the finish line. And even when I cross the line, I'm still not done. So hopefully this video found you, because I know someone needs to hear this. Some people can say it's motivational. Grab something. Learn how to do something. YouTube's create so many millionaires. Let me tell you, let me give you a fact. Did you know that 1,700 new millionaires are created daily? 1,700. You should be one of the 1,700s. And if so, and if you're not, what's stopping you? Nothing is stopping you but you. Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it. So with that being said, don't let the migrants come over and take your place, because they're not playing. They're hungry and they want more. The competition has ramped up. It's 2024. It's election year. You have things like crypto. You have things like stocks. You have new job opportunities. You have new technologies. You have machine learning. It's a plethora of things that you could pick from in order to study and then grow. It's a plethora. It's actually too many things to do. People say, well, America don't have any opportunity. On who? If you let the migrants tell it, we have so many opportunities. You may have been here for so long that you begin not to see what's right in front of you. You forgot that it was so many opportunities here. But it is. And like I say, you can build, create, and conquer. That's an opportunity within itself. So leave your thoughts down below. 2024, I need to know your long-term, your short-term, or your mid-term goals. What are you willing to sacrifice? What are you willing to give up? What are you willing to put on your back? Smash that like button. Tell a friend and tell a friend. It's 2024. This is the beginning. This is not the end. Subscribe to the channel. And leave your thoughts down below, because I really want to know what you think about this one. On that note, peace, blessings, and love.